Hello everyone. Have you ever looked at the night sky and wondered, where do stars come from? Are they eternal? Or do they also die? The truth is incredible. Stars are born, live for millions or billions of years, and then die in dramatic cosmic explosions. Today, we will discover the life story of stars. Welcome back to Mind and Universe. This is day 6 of our Space Science Complete course for beginners. Before we start, a quick reminder. If you haven't watched day 1 to day 5, please visit my channel and watch them first. Because when you understand the foundation, every next lesson becomes easier to understand until the end. Now let's explore one of the most fascinating objects in the universe, stars. What is a star? In simple words, a star is a massive ball of extremely hot gas. Stars produce light and heat because of a process called nuclear fusion. Inside the core of a star, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. This reaction releases enormous energy. That energy is what makes stars shine across the universe. Our closest star. Did you know we see a star every day? The sun is actually a star. It may look different because it is very close to Earth. Important facts about our sun. Age, about 4.6 billion years. Diameter, about 1.39 million kilometers. It contains 99.8% of the solar system's mass. Without the sun, life on Earth would not exist. How stars are born. Stars begin their lives inside enormous clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Here's what happens. Gravity pulls gas and dust together. The material becomes denser and hotter. A protostar forms. Nuclear fusion starts, and a new star is born. This process can take millions of years. Different types of stars. Not all stars are the same. Some are small and cool, while others are extremely massive and hot. Examples include red dwarfs, small stars, very long lifespan, yellow stars, like our sun, medium size, blue giants, very massive, extremely hot, short lifespan. The bigger a star is, the faster it lives and dies. How stars die. Eventually, stars run out of fuel. What happens next depends on the star's size. Small stars like our sun, they expand into a red giant, then shed their outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf. Massive stars, their ending is much more dramatic. They explode in a massive explosion called a supernova. A supernova can shine brighter than an entire galaxy. After the explosion, what remains can become a neutron star or a black hole. Amazing fact, every atom in your body, including carbon, oxygen, and iron, was created inside stars. That means you are literally made of stardust. The universe is not just around us, it is inside us. Today we learn it. What stars are. Our closest star, the sun. How stars are born in nebulae. Different types of stars. How stars die. Stars truly live cosmic life stories. In day 7, we will explore something even more mysterious.